What's up, gorgeous people? This is Ambizzares DIY and other stuff. I'm Amber, and I'm back with another mystery jewelry jar. So excited about this. Now, this is from Kayla. I purchased from her before, and I just love how she puts her jars together. I get a lot of her craft lots because I find a lot of really good stuff in there that I'm able to restore and then put in a mystery jar for somebody else or just sell individually, whatever. I do have a Depop, so you can message me on Depop if you're interested in any of this stuff, like individually. Just message me on Depop and I can get it listed, get you a price and then get it listed for you. So in this video, she did put a few extras in there for me since I've purchased from her before, and she just wanted to thank me for my second, third, fourth purchase. I don't know. I bought a lot from her. I really like her stuff. Okay, so this time I got 3 jars from her, but we're only gonna do one in this video. So 2 of the jars that I got came with extra bags. It said in the listing came with an extra bag of jewelry, and then she threw in some necklaces as a thank you for buying from her again. So in this one we have this jewelry jar. This one here did come with a bag of extras. So I mean, I'm just gonna take my pick there. It could be an extra for either of these jars, but here we go. Look, this is the extra. Oh my gosh, it doesn't even include the jar, right? So I don't know, should I split this video up in 2, do the bag of extras and then do the jar, or do you guys want to see it all in one? I don't know. We're gonna find out how long it takes to do this, but let's go ahead and start with these gorgeous necklaces that she threw in as an extra. How gorgeous is this? Oh my gosh, it is so beautiful. I love it. And I love this one as well. This one is very unique. Look at this one. So pretty. It's like a rose and then it's all gold. That is gorgeous. This one is my favorite of the 3 that she threw in there. How beautiful is that? Look at that. Oh my God, it's so pretty. Thank you, girl. If you see this video, thank you, because I love those. All right, we're going to start with the bag of extras that came with this first. So let's just dig in here and see what we got. Ooh. We have a ladybug watch. Oh, so cute, you guys. Oh, it's in great condition. Look at this. It's not ticking, but that's okay. I will change battery, but look at that. Excellent condition. Definitely clean that up and it could go to somebody else. This will be great for a kid. So I will put this with all the stuff that goes to my son's school. This will probably go there too, because the kids like this kind of stuff, okay? Ooh. Oh my. Okay. Wow. These are earrings, y'all. Hold on. Like, let me get it apart. She put it together so they wouldn't get lost in the bag. I mean, oh, wow. That is a statement. I freaking love them. Look how pretty those are. Oh my gosh, I love. And there's 2 of them. Fantastic. Love that. I'll probably put this in for the kids as well. So we'll put that off to the side. Give that to the kiddos. Okay, this is a lot. This is a lot. That's a lot of necklace right there, okay? Lots of necklace. I may leave it like this because it's in such good condition, or I might turn it into bracelets. We'll have to see how that goes. This is a bracelet already, so just like wraps around like so. Boom, you got yourself a cute little bracelet. So that is cute. This I'll probably put in with the kiddos stuff, I think. Oh no, I won't. It's got it. I love it, but unless I can protect this part right here, we'll have to see. Because I don't want the kiddos hurting themselves, right? This is cute. And I'll put that in for the kiddos as well. Oh, yes. Now this is a little tarnished, but I can fix that. Ooh, I like this. Okay, that is pretty. What's this? Oh, this is pretty. It's like an Alex and Ani style bracelet, but it's not Alex and Ani. It says, "Let your light shine." Oh, something about college in Ocean City or something like that. It's pretty. It's pretty. Oh, I have another watch. Stop it! Stop it! I am so cleaning this up. It's Cabbage Patch Kids. Stop it right now. Oh my gosh, that is fabulous. I love that. You guys seeing this? Oh my gosh, I'm just going to clean that up and see if it will, put a battery in it and see if it'll tick for me. But that is so cute. Oh my gosh, I can't right now. Here is a ring. Very basic. I wonder if I can turn that into something, add something on there or something. But yeah, there's a ring. Okay. This is a very chunky necklace. Is this supposed to be? Oh, it was just a tag from when somebody was selling it. So Very chunky necklace. I feel like there's tape stuck on me. There is. That's why you feel like that, because there is. Okay, these are clip-on earrings, and they are cute. Here they are. They're cute though, right? Love that. All right. Oh, this is pretty. Look at that. That is pretty. Like that, but I'll put that for the kiddos. What is this? Embrace the journey. I don't know what this means, y'all. This means something. It's pretty. Maybe somebody can fill me in on that. Okay. I can stop moving around so much. It says embrace the journey. It's cute. I'll put it over there. This is the plain gold. Oh, yes. Will it fit? Oh, a little tight. I hope I can get it off. Can I? Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm gonna cry. We gotta get it off. Okay, yeah. Oh, I hope there's another one of those. That looks really fun. What does this say? Indianapolis 500 ring. Oh, doesn't quite fit, but I could stretch it to fit if I wanted to. But there you go. That's cute, actually. Oh, love this. Oh, I love that. Look at that. She's bold. She's loud. Oh, I love that. That's so pretty. Oh, this is gorgeous. Are any stones missing? Oh, this is beautiful. I mean, this is stunning. Look at that. Oh my gosh. All the stones seem to be there. That is gorgeous. That is gorgeous. It might need restrung, and I'm okay with that. I will restring that. That is gorgeous. I'll probably keep that for myself. Oh, this is pretty. Oh, that is so pretty. It looks like it's made through the wire. Yes. Oh, I love that. That is really cute. Okay, what do we have in here? Ooh. There we go. It's shining. I like that. Okay, that's cool. And then we have another bangle. Okay, this is the plain gold bangle. Ooh, we have a fun ring. Okay, that fits. Interesting. I love rings, guys. I wear rings all the time. The reason why I don't wear them during these videos, it's just a black bangle, is because I want to be able to try stuff on and show it to you guys. Okay, well, just a bangle. Oh, these are earrings. I love them. Low-key love these. Ah! Oh, stop. Yes. Yes, please. I love those. Hopefully there's another one in there. Oh, you have a nice little white bracelet with some gold accents. What's this? Oh my, hold on. What's going on? Okay, you wait your turn. Ooh, as well as you. It's your time to shine. Look at that. Oh, that is so pretty. Oh, that is so pretty. Look at that. Ah, that is gorgeous. Yes, please. That is so pretty. Look at this one too. Love. Okay, that is pretty as well. For glasses, they have like little things on there. It's like a like a chain. I get glasses on here. I don't know. Whatever you want it to be. Okay, what else do we have? Oh, this is pretty. Oh, it broke. This is broke. Is it all one though? Is it supposed to be all one? No, this is not broke. Okay, look. Oh, that is so pretty. I am digging this. This is pretty. Wonder if I don't know about doubling that, but anyways, it's really pretty. I like it. Okay, that is cool. Here's the match to the earring that I went nuts over. Okay, and this was the one, you know what? It is broken. Look. So if you look here, this should have something that's coming down from it, and it does not. So it is broken, and that's okay. I buy craft lux from her on purpose and fix the stuff, so we'll just fix it into something else. What is going on here? It goes like this. Oh, the magnet's missing though, huh? Yeah, it should go like this. Is gorgeous. Look how pretty this is. It won't clasp at the moment, but this is really pretty. I am digging this, digging this, digging this. And it's missing some of the, look, okay. So like, see how it has these heart charms on there? And these ones have the finding to put them on there, but they're not on there. So I need to add some more charms, and I need to fix this right here. I'll do videos coming up where I'm fixing the jewelry, but I need to fix that, okay? Those are not where, oh, I thought it was gold. I don't know, guys. It looks like these are like broke though, which again is okay. I can take care of that. I buy stuff from her like that on purpose because I like to fix stuff. I don't know how this clasps, but this is really cute. Look at that. So cute. It's very small though, be for like a child. So we'll put it in the child pile. This is pretty. Look how pretty that is. That is gorgeous. Okay. You are your only limit. Oh, I like that. I'll keep that for myself. I like that. Okay. What do we have here? Oh, so this just goes like this. And it has like two gems or whatever you want to say on there. Okay, so it just goes like that. Very simple gold chain. Oh, what's going on here? These are fun. 100% fun. I love that. They are clip-ons though, guys. They're clip-ons, but those are really fun. Okay. Oh, here's the other to that earring. And none of the gems are missing on either earring. These are mine. Oh, how fun are those? Those are fun. Leopard print, love. Those I will keep for myself. This looks like it's missing one of the beads that go right here, but yep, just a plain bracelet. This looks like it's some type of body jewelry probably. I have so much body jewelry. I don't know. Ooh, I don't know if you guys are gonna see that, but trust me, that's probably what that is. Okay. What are you doing? What is happening here? Okay, those are the earrings. Got it. What is this? Oh, it's one of those bracelets that tighten. Well, there we go. Another one of those bracelets that tightens. So I'll probably put that for the kiddos as well. We have this very interesting, love these pair of earrings. Oh, love that. So cute. Okay, this ring right here. It's definitely an interesting one too. Oh, so cute. Mickey Mouse ring. We'll put that with the stuff for the kiddos. Very small pair of earrings. You guys aren't going to see them in there. Hold on. They're just a really small pair of earrings, but you know, if I'm going to show this to you, I'm going to show it to you. You know what I'm saying? Look how small and dainty that is. Super cute. And then we have this ring. We have this ring. Should switch what I did there because we have a leopard print, and then we have this black one. And there's one more thing in here. Looks to be a very small, and I do mean small, tiny seed bead bracelet. Okay, so we took a long time to do the extras. So we're going to do the jar in the next video. Make sure that you guys are subscribed and you stay tuned for the next video that has the actual jar that went with all of these extras. Until then, I'll catch you in my next video.